सर इधर कैमरे पे देखो सर। प्रिंस सर आगे आ जाए, बढ़ा दो ऐसे बढ़ा दो। ठीक, एक पॉइंट बढ़ा दो, प्लेस कर दो, प्लेस आप लीजिए।
All levels. Mostly second it is up to KG2 class. Fifth. Bigger students that's it. Yes sir.
On this gentle day of the annual function 2025-26, we welcome you with smiles as wide as horizons and hearts filled with warmth.
On behalf of our entire school, we welcome our distinguished chief guest, ED Sir, Shri G. Venkat Reddy, our respected Principal Sir, HM Sir, dear teachers, beloved parents and allied staff of the event. As your presence is the music that makes this event truly complete.
Today, the stage becomes a poem written by tiny footsteps, sung by innocent voices, and colored by dreams, too young to fear.
Every performance is a heartbeat, every smile is a sunrise, and every child a story waiting to unfold under the spotlight.
So breathe in the magic and let your heart sway with the wind today. Welcome to an event woven with wonder. Every auspicious journey begins with a spark of light, a symbol of knowledge, of purity, of enlightenment. दीप जो प्रतीक है प्रकाश का,
दीप जो पहचान है खुशियों का,
दीप जो संकेत है शुभ भाव का,
आइए हम दीप जलाकर एकता, अखंडता और मानवता को बनाए रखने का संकल्प लें. We request our chief guest, Principal Sir, HM Sir and other dignitaries to please come forward for the lighting of the lamp.
May His divine light remove darkness from our minds and illuminate the path of wisdom for all.
Shubham karotu kalyanam arogyam sukha sampadaha dvesha buddhi vinashaya atma jyoti namo
edition 2025-26, where every performance has been practiced with passion, perfected with love, and polished with enthusiasm.
स्वागत की परंपरा हमारी संस्कृति की पहचान है, सभ्यता की सीढ़ी है, सफलता का संकेत है।
What a better way to begin than with music that warms the heart and welcomes the soul.
With a big round of applause, let's welcome our little songbirds for the welcome song.
Thank you. Wow, what a melodious song. Please put your hands together for the claps.
Ladies and gentlemen, a school is not just built with bricks and walls. It is shaped by vision, values, and leadership.
At the heart of OPGS beats the guidance of a leader who believes in nurturing minds, inspiring hearts, and shaping futures.
It is now our honor and privilege to invite our respected principal, Shri Rakesh Sharma, the guiding force of OPs in the school, to deliver the welcome address and present the annual report.
Through this report, we will take a journey of a year gone by, a year of achievements, milestones, growth, and collective effort.
May we request Principal Sir to kindly come forward and enlighten us his words of wisdom and vision. A warm round of applause as we welcome Principal Sir to the dais.
हौसले की पहचान है. May we request God to take the dice.
Thank you, dear student. I extend my humble greetings to Radio Chief Guest Honorable G. Venkat Reddy Sir, Executive Director, Honorable Headmaster Sir, really to distribute awards, but to celebrate perseverance, discipline, excellence, and the quiet courage it takes to walk the long road of learning. A prize-giving ceremony is not just a moment to applause. It is a pause in time where hard work is acknowledged, it's revered, and dreams are given wings. Each name called today echoes countless hours of study, unwavering focus, and an unyielding belief in oneself. We proudly felicitate our star kids whose intellect and diligence transformed ambition into accomplishments. Their success reminds us that excellence is never accidental. It's earned through consistent effort and discipline in all walks of life. As we proceed, let this ceremony remind us of the achievement, which is not a destination, of course, but a milestone. Let this ceremony remind that as the Best Disciplined Child Award goes to Mansi Verma. Best Social Child Award goes to Adya Sahu. Best Obedient Child Award goes to Nihir Chaudhary. Best Hygiene Child Awareness. Congratulations not only to the students but to the teachers and to the once again the Best All-Rounder Award goes to Anshika Rathod for an all-rounded way. I request the audience, the parents, the students sitting over there, the Child Award is Riyans Sandik. The student who grabbed, let me announce the names of Anshika Kumkar and Purva Chaudhary. Once again, a roaring applause for all these winners. Responsibility and respectful learning, qualities that quietly shape success long before results are. Parents, this is for your information. The guests, this is again for your information. Each proficiency award holder will be recognized with a memento as a mark of academic excellence. Those students that secure the first position in their respective classes will be conferred prestigious scholar. Roaring applause because they deserve this.
बताना, मैं तब बीच में आऊँगा। मैं इशारा करूँगा ना प्रोग्राम के, इसमें डांस ही।
Allow me to announce the names from class 4, Ayush Chandra Mehra and Surbhi Sahu. These three students share the same second position. And the third place is grabbed by, and the first place is grabbed by Vikrant Pratap Gupta.
Okay, sir.
And the third place is held by Chandranshu Samatare.
प्रिंस सर बताना एक बार पीछे, प्रिंस सर पीछे बताना।
Once again, heartiest congratulations on B. Arav Gupta securing the first place, 98.8.
तो भैया को कॉल करेंगे क्या?
The last class on the row is 5th C,
जी सर।
and the students who have been nominated for the Award of Excellence. They strive hard to make it through the year, and they have put themselves worthy of it. Heartiest congratulations to our Academic Excellence Award recipients for their academic year reflects not only punctuality but also a strong sense of responsibility and respect for learning. Your accomplishments stand as a testament to your effort to graciously step forward for the felicitation ceremony. Let us honor them with a resounding round of applause again from Coach C, Kumud Sahu, Coach C, and Mats Gupta, Coach C. From 50 to the hands together for these students who have been persistent throughout the year and have been and transformed uncertainty into understanding. Their dedication proves that teaching is not just a profession, but a calling that shapes the future. I invite the erudite educators, the light bearers, the torch bearers, the future makers to come up the stage for the honors. I request radio guests to do the felicitation. Results, and at the same time, two of their students produced 100% marks and 100% result in Sanskrit. Many of the students, to name a few, follow these felicitators so for bringing out a big change in the society. May I also request Mr. Anup Chakraborty and Ms. Empowered by humanity, rise to all the odds and the challenges, whatever we come across. And request the audience to put their hands together for this mega event that the students have been through. They have been very outstanding and amazing.
सारा है।
अब प्रस्तुत है एक और मनोहरी लयबद्ध प्रस्तुति।
ताल कहरवा अपनी जीवन धूरों और ऊर्जावान गति के लिए प्रसिद्ध, निश्चित ही आपके पैरों को धरती पर मजबूर कर देंगे।
तो प्रस्तुत है ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों ताल कहरवा के साथ।
सर ले रहे
An event like this becomes memorable not just because of performances, but because of the guidance, support, teamwork behind the scenes.
It is now time to formally express our heartfelt thanks to everyone who contributed for making the day celebration a grand success.
For this, we are honored to invite our respected headmaster K.K. Pandey sir, whose constant support and encouragement strengthen the spirit of OPJS.
May we request HM sir to kindly come forward to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning, everyone. On behalf of OPJS fraternity, I deem it great honor and privilege to stand before you to propose a vote of thanks for being with us and making us feel proud. It is my privilege to express my gratitude to esteemed Sri G. Venkat Reddy sir, ED, HOP, JPN as a chief guest of the day. His presence is a source of inspiration to all the members of OPJS family. Thank you, sir, for your gracious availability and the motivational words which you share with us. I am filled with gratefulness to thank other esteemed guests, Sri Jitendra Prasad Mishra sir, Sri Neeraj Chaube sir,
सामने देखेंगे, सामने।
Sharma sir, Sri Ajay Kansal sir, Sri Ravi Satpal sir,
मोबाइल पे ले ले रहा
for your valuable presence from your busy schedule. I would sincere thanks our principal sir, Mr. Rakesh Sharma, whose guidance and support make today's program memorable.
ठीक
I would thank our teachers whose constant effort made the students present such a wonderful program. I wish to thank all the participants and their parents who made this program a great success. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all the entire parents who are present here to appreciate our students. Dear parents, you have been a wonderful audience today. I express sincere thanks to our admin staff for all the logistic support and providing to make this day, this event a memorable one. Thank you everyone once again.